Welcome back to another Modisoft back office video. My name is Jonathan. Today we're going to be going over on how you can download marketing materials once you have purchased your services with Cartzie, whether you get our $59 package, $99 package, or any future packages down the road. You have that capability to download this marketing material for your store. So in order to do so, you're going to have to go up into your main menu, click on the setup, and then you will go to Cartzie, and then you will see marketing here. So once you click on marketing, you are going to notice that we do have multiple formats that you are able to use for materials, whether you want to do a regular business cards or if you want to do posters, 12 by 18s, 8 by 8s, business cards, etc. All you have to do, if you decide that you want to do it through your company that you want to go through, you can just click download, and this will download the flyer to your computer or whatever you decide to download, and then you can take it to them and then they will make it for you and send it out to your location. Now another option that you have if you don't want to go that route is we do offer first time setups with Cartzie. We do send you guys marketing material for that first time setup. So if you do want to do that, you can definitely talk to your sales representative over at Modisoft, and whenever you do set up your Cartzie account with us, you can request them to send you marketing material. We hope that you found this guide useful in better understanding your Modisoft back office. Please like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you will always be up to date on your Modisoft back office. Thank you and have a wonderful day.